Hello and welcome. Today we'll be making these spider coffin earrings. Grab your supplies and let's do it. Take 2 balls of black clay and flatten them until they're in long oval shapes. Use your tissue blade and cut your clay into a coffin shape. Use your tissue blade and cut in the spider web shape. Use different size circle cutters to press in the round shapes of the spider web. If you like this video so far, or any of my videos, please hit that subscribe button. I do post videos twice a week, every Tuesday and Thursday. Roll out your white clay until it is long and thin, and then cut off tiny pieces. We will use these for the legs on our spiders. Roll out 2 small balls of white clay and place them in the middle of the coffin. This will be for the spider body. And then begin placing on all of your spider legs. Time to place in your eye hooks. Pre-poke your eye hook holes and add your eye hooks in. Bake your pieces. Use red paint and fill in all of the spider web designs. Once the paint is dried, use a damp soapy cloth to wipe off any excess clay. If you didn't get paint in all the crevices the first time, just repeat the process. Glue in your eye hooks and resin your pieces. To assemble your earrings, all you'll need is a jump ring and an earring hook. And your spooky coffins are done. Please check back tomorrow. I am posting 31 videos for the month of October. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!